Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso. This is a Spazielle S1. We did some reprogramming. I'm going to do a double shot. It has a 5-second pre-infusion, a 21 gram basket, and we're going to do a 2-ounce shot.
So that was pre-infusion that we were waiting for.
Fresh coffee. All right. We're going to try the single one, which we programmed for a 10-second rinse. 5. Check the steam. Nice strong steam. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.
If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Oh, excuse me. We're just looking for words here today. If you like this video, hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.